Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Fruits and vegetables, and 2. Phonics, U and V.
今日のターゲットは1. フルーツと野菜 2. フォニックスの U と V.
Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson.
じゃあ DVD レッスンを始めよう。
Next, let's do some actions. Did you remember the actions we did last lesson?
この前のレッスンでやった動きを覚えているかな？
Let's do it together.
じゃあ一緒にやってみよう。
Are you ready? Stand up. Throw away. Catch a ball. Cut in half. Draw a picture. Kick a ball. Put it down. Sit down. Okay, good job. Now, let's do it again.
じゃあもう一度やってみよう。
Are you ready? Stand up. Throw away. Catch a ball. Cut in half. Draw a picture. Kick a ball. Put it down. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. Just watch and listen.
よく見て聞いていてね。
U is a umbrella. U.
口を丸めてタコの口を作りながら U と言いましょう。
Okay, let's try the U sound together. 1, 2. U. 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 Very good. Next, ah.
顎を下げないであと言います。練習するときは少し上を向いてあと言ってみてね。
Okay, let's try the sound together. 1, 2. Ah. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we?
それでは最後に全部一緒に言ってみようか。
U is a umbrella. Are you ready? 1, 2. U is a umbrella. Wonderful. Next is V.
次は V。
V is V. Violin. V.
まず下の唇を優しく噛みます。そして音を出すと下の唇が震えるよね。その後に口を横に開きながらいいと言います。 続けて言うと、
V.
できたかな？
Okay, let's try the V sound together. 1, 2. V. 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 Very good. Next, V.
V の時に練習したV の音です。唇が震えるように言ってみてね。
Okay, let's try the V sound together. 1, 2. V. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we?
それでは最後に全部一緒に言ってみようか。
V is V. Violin. Are you ready? 1, 2. V is V. Violin. Wonderful. It's time to sing. Did you listen to the song Five Little Monkeys?
歌を聞いてきたかな？
Let's sing together slowly at the same time with me.
じゃあ一緒にゆっくり歌おう。
Are you ready? Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and broke his head. The mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Second verse.
曲の2番目は
Four little monkeys. Third verse.
曲の3番目は
Three little monkeys. Fourth verse.
曲の4番目は
Two little monkeys. Fifth verse.
曲の5番目は
One little monkey. Okay, the last line is a little bit different.
曲の最後は少し歌が違うよ。
So let's sing it together, okay?
だから一緒に歌ってみようか。
One, two. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Very good. Please practice this song at home. Goodbye.
この歌、お家で練習してきてね。さようなら。
It's vocabulary time. Let's review the words you learned last time.
この前習った単語の復習をしよう。
It's a persimmon. It's a banana. It's a kiwi fruit. It's an orange. It's a lemon. It's a strawberry. It's a mandarin. Next, I'm going to give you a small hint.
次に少しヒントを言うよ。
Try to say the answer before I tell you what it is.
先生が答えを言う前に、あなたが答えてね。
Are you ready? What is it? It's a strawberry. What is it? It's an orange. What is it? It's a lemon. What is it? It's a persimmon. What is it? It's a kiwi fruit. What is it? It's a banana. What is it? It's a mandarin. Could you say them all?
全部言えたかな？
Well done.
よくできたね。
Hi! It's chance time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let's do it together slowly.
今週は一緒にゆっくりやってみよう。
Are you ready? I have a melon. You have an orange. You have many tomatoes. She has a bunch of grapes. He has an onion. They have some cabbages. It has a carrot. We have many fruits and vegetables. Good job! Hi, it's book time.
本の時間だよ。
Let me read it to you again.
じゃあ、また読んであげるね。
I have an apple.
僕はリンゴを持っているよ。
You have a watermelon and a melon.
君はスイカとメロンを持っているね。
You have a pineapple, a pear, a peach, and a cherry.
あなたたちはパイナップルと洋梨と桃とさくらんぼを持っているね。
She has a bunch of spinach.
彼女はほうれん草の束を持っているね。
He has a cucumber.
彼はキュウリを持っているね。
They have some peas, some beans, a tomato, and a carrot.
彼らは豆とトマトと人参を持っているね。形が丸い豆をピーと言います。形が丸くない豆や大きい豆をビーンと言います。
We have fruits and vegetables.
私たちはフルーツと野菜を持っています。
The end. How was that?
どうだった？
Goodbye.
さようなら。
Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game.
ねえ、音を当てる遊びをしようよ。
Somebody says violin. Guess who?
誰かな？当ててね。Begin!
Violin.
Berlin.
Who said violin?
誰が言ったのかな？
I did. I said violin. Oh, Max said violin.
マックスが言ったんだね。
Did you get it?
君はわかったかな？
By the way, what did you say, Linda?
ところで、リンダはなんて言ったの？
I said Berlin. Berlin.
I see.
なるほど。
How about you, Carla? Carla?
カラはどう？カラ？ I said begin. Begin.
I see.
なるほど。
Bye, everybody. See you next time. Hey, how was that?
やあ、どうだった？
Now today's DVD lesson is over.
これで DVD レッスンはおしまい。
Can you remember today's targets?
今日のターゲットを思い出せるかな？
Today's targets were 1. Fruits and vegetables, and 2. Phonics, U and V. Please don't forget.
忘れないでね。
See you next time. Goodbye!